Today we will be connecting the Laundry Boss hub. You will need the Laundry Boss Winhub, a power connector for the Laundry Boss Winhub, the broadcasting MIB, the broadcasting MIB cable, the serial cable which connects the Winhub to the broadcasting MIB, and 2 Ethernet cables. First, we will connect the Laundry Boss hub to power. Plug it in, and if it has powered, you should see a blue light right here. Next, we will connect the Laundry Boss hub to an Ethernet connection. Connect it here at the LAN port. Next, we will be connecting the serial cable to the broadcasting MIB. Connect it next to the power cable, between the power cable and the Ethernet cable. Please note, there are 2 other USBs on this side. Those are to be used for other things. Plug in the serial cable to the broadcasting MIB. Connect an Ethernet cable from the serial cable to the broadcasting MIB cable. And connect the broadcasting MIB cable to the broadcasting MIB. And you've connected your Laundry Boss hub.